Welcome to Nurling Meadows.
Make your intention clear and bright. Say Bismillah to start it right. Come on kids, let's say it full. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now the wudu has begun. Then wash your hands, let the water run. We do it 3 times, one by one. Clean between your fingers, wild and free. Count with me now. 1, 2, 3, 3. Wash them clean. Rinse your mouth, swish the water around. 3 times splashing, a happy sound. 1, 2, 3. Now tickle your nose, sniff the water in. Blow it out gently, let the cleaning begin. 3 times for the nose, let me hear you shout. 1, 2, 3. Wash your face from top to chin, from ear to ear, let the glow begin. Make sure it's wet, don't leave a space. 3 times over, wash your face. 1, 2, 3. Right arm first, up to the elbow. Go! Oh, then wash your left arm, up to the elbow too. 3 times each makes it fresh and new. Are you ready to count? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Now wet your hands for the gentle part. Wipe your head once, that's how we start. From front to back and back to front. Clean your ears inside and out. Tooth for wash your feet, don't miss a spot. Tuck, non-tuck, do and forget it not. Right foot first, then wash the left. 3 times counting, you are the best. 2, 3. Now wudu is done, we are pure and clean. Let's read the Shahadah, the best routine. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lahu, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Way! We did it!
Wanna hear a secret?
Stories grow better when you subscribe.
And sharing makes them even happier. Click, tap,